The Election Commission has already conducted an inquiry and taken action. I urge your viewers to read the report that has been released by the Election Commission. The fact is that one of the official vehicles broke down, and they were offered some help by another vehicle, which there was no political intent behind it, and perhaps there was some protocol that was not followed, as a result of which the EC has taken some punitive action on some of the officials and has ordered a repoll in that booth. But they've made it very clear that it was just a case of a car breaking down and being offered help. So there is absolutely no involvement of the BJP or any political motive whatsoever. But I think it's worth noting that whenever the Congress sees defeat staring it in its face, they start making these kind of allegations and trying to blow it out of proportion, which is, I think, obvious to everybody. The truth of the matter is revealed in the inquiry and the report that has already been furnished, and it's available online for anybody to read.
इस बार ये जो कोरोना की चौथी वेव आई है, ये पिछली वेव से कम सीरियस हैं। कम सीरियस मतलब कि एक तो मौतें काफ़ी कम हो रही हैं, और दूसरा लोगों को अस्पताल में और लोगों को आईसीयू में जो भर्ती होते हैं वो काफ़ी पिछले उसके मुकाबले काफ़ी कम हैं। हम ये देख रहे थे कि अक्टूबर के महीने में जब लगभग इतने ही केस 3-4 हज़ार केसेस डेली आ रहे थे, उस वक्त आईसीयू में लगभग 1700 के करीब पेशेंट्स थे, और आज लगभग 800 के करीब 50% के करीब पेशेंट्स हैं। उन दिनों में जब डेली 3-4 हज़ार केसेस आ रहे थे, 40 के करीब मौत डेली हो रही थी। आज 10-12 के करीब मौत डेली हो रही हैं। तो अभी ये वाली जो वेव आई है, ये पिछली वाली वेव के मुकाबले में कम सीरियस है कि लोगों को कम अस्पताल जाना पड़ रहा है। होम आइसोलेशन में लोगों का इलाज अच्छे से हो रहा है। अभी जो स्थिति है, सरकार में लॉकडाउन किसी भी तरह का करने का कोई विचार नहीं है। हम स्थिति पे नज़र रखे हुए हैं। भविष्य में अगर ज़रूरत कभी पड़ेगी तो मैं आपसे बातचीत करके ऐसा कोई निर्णय लिया जाएगा, लेकिन अभी फ़िलहाल कोई लॉकडाउन करने का सरकार का निर्णय नहीं, सरकार का विचार नहीं है।
In Assam, the gentleman who's running our campaign over there has been sending me videos of BJP candidates running around with voting machines in their cars, right? And he's screaming at the top of his voice, saying that, look, I've got a real serious problem here. But there's nothing going on in the national media. There is a wholesale capture of the institutional framework of this country. Complete. There is absolute financial dominance that the BJP has. Right? There is absolute media dominance that the BJP has. It's not just the Congress. The BSP is not winning an election. The Samajwadi is not winning an election. The NCP is not winning an election. To fight elections, I need institutional structures. I need a judicial system that protects me. I need a media that is reasonably free. I need financial parity. I need a whole set of structures that actually allow me to operate as a political party. I don't have them. So what's the answer? The answer is that when you behave the way the BJP is behaving, a lot of people get discontented very fast, and that's what's happening. And so the answer then is to bring these people together, but to understand that we are no longer in the same paradigm we were before 2014. We're in a different paradigm. We're in a paradigm where the institutions that are supposed to protect us do not protect us anymore. The institutions that are supposed to support a fair political fight do not do so anymore.
जो पीएसओ था उसका पिस्टल छीनने की कोशिश करी पुलिस वालों का। भाई फायरिंग हो तो फिर ये कहते हैं कि भाई फायरिंग होगी, मतलब पिस्टल छीनने को रही, पत्थर मारे, शीशे तोड़ दिए, लाठी बजाई।
दतारपुर चौराहे पर जो घटना घटित हुई अभी किसान नेताओं के साथ में, तो उसमें 4 लोगों को डिटेन कर लिया है। बाकी लोगों को भी नामजद करके टीम भेज दी गई है, अतिशीघ्र डिटेन कर लेंगे।
क्या इसमें कोई हाथापाई की भी नौबत आई थी? जी, हाथापाई की भी नौबत आई थी?
नहीं, शाई फेंकने का, काले झंडे बताने की इस टाइप की खबर आई है।
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.